banana bread. So I will tell you step by step. Now I'm going to peel the bananas and put them in a bowl and mash them. Now we put them in the bowl. Now we're going to add the ingredients into the mashed bananas. Now we're going to add the butter. Now we're going to add the sugar. Now we're going to mix. Now we're going to add the vanilla. Now mix. Now we're going to add the egg. Mash. Mix. Twist the flour. Give me the flour. I'm kind of nervous.
Don't be nervous. Okay. Yeah.
Now we are going to put our mashed ingredients into the tin. Be with us for the result. Hey guys, my banana bread is all done out of the oven. It looks kind of black and brown, but it's okay. It still looks delicious to eat. And even you will subscribe my channel or not. So if you like it, you can subscribe it. If you don't like it, you can't subscribe it. Now I'm gonna cut it, and you guys will wanna eat it, and I prefer to eat it. You prefer to eat it. Everyone wants to prefer to eat it. So I'm gonna cut it for you guys and my. We can't wait to eat that potato. That's for me, okay? I'm gonna eat that.